Using the 4 strands of thread, outline the pre-printed clouds on the fabric with the back stitch. This stitch is a 2 steps forward, 1 step back, by leaving no space between the stitches. A back stitch is a basic hand stitch where the thread is sewn in a back and forth motion. The top of the stitch looks like a series of small touching stitches while the back is overlapping. Now using back stitch with 4 strands of thread, outline the lines connecting the clouds and hearts. Due to its back and forth motion and the ability to get really small stitches, the backstitch is the strongest stitch you can use when you don't have a sewing machine. This stitch gets its name from the process, which results in each stitch going backward from the direction of the line you are forming. You can create the backstitch going from both right to left and left to right. Now using the 2 strands of thread, outline the cloud's eye with outline stitch. Outline stitch is a basic embroidery stitch that is commonly used for outlining objects. As the name suggests, this stitch is used to mark outlines in an embroidery pattern. The outline stitch is a basic embroidery stitch that can be used for stems and curved lines as well as borders, as it has a rope-like appearance that is perfect for your projects. Fill the cheeks and hearts with satin stitch by using the 2 strands of the thread. You'll be making stitches that span all the way across the shape. The stitches should be very near to each other. Satin stitch is a fill stitch covering small areas with smooth, close stitches that lay flat on the fabric. It is important to pull the stitch gently so the threads don't feel tight on the fabric. Satin stitch has a very easy procedure. What is difficult in this stitch is to maintain the neatness, especially on the edges of the pattern that is being filled. When doing a satin stitch, we have to make sure the stitches are not pulled too tightly, as it will distort the fabric. The beauty of the satin stitch is just how simple it is. It is sewn in simple straight stitches, making it a fast and easy option to fill spaces and shapes.